don't want you to make some.
I don't want you making any letters.
I don't want you to make
No words, say, no words. Tell her, say, I don't want words.
It's a one word.
I don't want words.
You just want letters?
She is a piece of work.
Oops.
I got some.
There's too many. I'm losing them.
You see some.
No.
No.
You can't lose them.
I'll try.
Not allowed.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Get one.
Oh, my goodness, what's happening? Oh, thank you. I needed all those.
Someone else.
Something else?
Someone else.
No.
Here, you can hold these too.
The more the merrier.
Some too.
Oh, thank
I
you.
want some.
Oh, thank you so much.
And that.
Oh, can I read the book?
No.
Oh,
You just have to put it in your
I
hand.
just have to hold it, huh? How can I hold it?
It's too much.
I'm all filled up.
It's too much.
There's
for
no more room.
great-grandma.
There's no more
No
room.
more room.
No room for more. Oh, you lost your
Right
place.
there.
So much of where I was.
Right there.
Is
You
he a
dropped
funny
it?
little
Maybe
guy?
that will fit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right with you.
He's supposed to save my place.
Too late.
Sick.
But that's a clip.
Paper clip, as
Next,
they call them in the South, a gem clip.
a gym clip?
A
Gem.
gem clip.
Gem.
clip.
Because that's the brand name of most of your paper clips.
Oh, really?
GEM, gem clip.
Do it. Help me.
You trying to put it on her ear?
Help you. You want to put it on my cheek?
Yeah.
It'll hurt me.
Really? I hadn't thought about that.
Now you hold it anyway.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. You use one.
The
You
U.
lose one.
Oh,
You
the
lose
U.
one.
I lost the U.
Yeah, I do. I did.
Oh my goodness. Oh, now I lost the W.
She's lost 3 U's at this point.
Cover up. I got it, sir. I got W.
Oh,
You
you
gotta
gotta find the
find
W.
How is it when you shirt? How is it when you
They'll all fit in there, that's for sure.
more?
Oh no!
You lost the W.
You lost the
Again?
W.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I know, she did.
Isn't that good? I have lots of room in there.
Oh, Juniper, you're too much.
I want too much.
Not too much. Yeah. You are. You certainly are. I need a tissue.
Almost got them all.
Almost.
Yay, Grandma!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's
You found another. That's something.
two. Two.
One.
Where's the others?
Where's the letters, baby? I don't know.
I want
Juniper.
two. That one's my friend.
do the book. Don't do the book, baby.
Juniper.
Juniper, do not.
It may be fit. I guess you never know what kids are gonna do.
You got all that going.
All that I got.
And the watermelon.
No.
Juniper.
It's too much.
Too much.
I
Now,
think I'll put some down here.
Yeah,
can
she
you
put them
find
in her
them all
pants.
now? Can you get them all out?
All you gotta do is stand up. Juniper. Juniper. No. No.
Look,
Look,
Oh,
watch, watch Grandma stand up. Watch.
you have to help. Just let him fly.
Oh, that worked.
Again.